Commercial Driver's License DMV Manual, page 14. 2005 CDL testing system. Determining class of CDL required. Is the GCWR 26,001 or more pounds? If yes, is the GVWR of the trailer / towed unit 10,001 or more pounds? If yes, you need a Class A. Is the GCWR 26,001 or more pounds? If the answer is no, the next question you ask, is the GVWR of the power unit 26,001 or more pounds? If the answer is yes, you need a Class B. Going back to, is the GCWR 26,001 more pounds? If the answer is yes, but you come to the next question, is the GVWR of the trailer / towed unit 10,001 or more pounds? But if the answer is no, you're heading this way, back to this one. Is the GVWR of the power unit 26,001 or more pounds? If the answer is no, you ask, is the vehicle transporting hazardous materials in a placarded quantity? If the answer is yes, you need a Class C. If the answer is no, you come to this question. Is the vehicle designed to transport 16 or more passengers, including the driver? If the answer is yes, you need a Class C. If no, no CDL is required. That's your diagram right there. Gross Combination Weight Rating, GCWR. It means the value specified by the manufacturer of the power unit. If the value is displayed on the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard FMVSS certification label, or the sum of the gross vehicle weight ratings, GVWRs, or the gross vehicle weights, GVWs, of the power unit and the towed units, or any combination thereof that produces the highest value, the underlined and italicized text above is for use by roadside enforcement only. That's highlighted. For the purpose of determining whether the driver / vehicle is subject to CDL regulations, it is not used to determine whether a vehicle is representative for the purposes of skills testing. Gross Vehicle Weight Rating, GVWR, means the value specified by the manufacturer as the loaded weight of a single vehicle. Figure 1.1. Note, a bus may be Class A, B, or C depending on whether the GVWR is over 26,001 pounds or is a combination vehicle. End of page. Page 15. 1.1 Commercial Driver License Tests. 1.1.1 Knowledge Tests. You will have to take one or more knowledge tests, depending on what class of license and what endorsements you need. The CDL knowledge tests include the General Knowledge Test, that's highlighted, taken by all applicants. The Passenger Transport Test, that's highlighted, taken by all bus driver applicants. The Air Brakes Test, that's highlighted, which you must take if your vehicle has air brakes, including air over hydraulic brakes. The Combination Vehicles Test, which is required if you want to drive combination vehicles. The Hazardous Materials Test, that's highlighted, is required if you want to haul hazardous materials as defined in 49 CFR 383.5. In order to obtain this endorsement, you are also required to pass a Transportation Security Administration TSA background check. The Tank Vehicle Test, that's highlighted, required if you want to haul any liquid or gaseous materials in a tank or tanks having an individual rated capacity of more than 119 gallons and an aggregate rated capacity of 1,000 gallons or more that is either permanently or temporarily attached to the vehicle or chassis. The doubles/triples test, that's highlighted, required if you want to pull double or triple trailers. The school bus test, that's highlighted, is required if you want to drive a school bus. 1.1.2 Skills Tests. If you pass the required knowledge tests, you can take the CDL skills test when you are eligible. The CDL skills test consists of 3 segments: vehicle inspection, basic vehicle control, and on-road driving. You must take the segments in the order listed and must pass each one before moving to the next. You must take these tests in the type of vehicle for which you wish to be licensed. Any vehicle that has components marked or labeled cannot be used for the CDL skills test. Vehicle inspection. You will be tested to see if you know whether your vehicle is safe to drive. You will be asked to do a vehicle inspection of your vehicle. You must point to/touch and name the item you are inspecting and explain to the examiner what you would inspect and why. Basic vehicle control. You will be tested on your skill to control the vehicle. You will be asked to move your vehicle forward, backward, and turn it with a defined area. These areas may be marked with traffic lanes, cones, barriers, or something similar. The examiner will tell you how each control test is to be done. On-road test. You will be tested on your skill to safely drive your vehicle in a variety of traffic situations. The situations may include left and right turns, intersections, railroad crossings, curves, up and down grades, single or multi-lane roads, streets or highways. The examiner will tell you where to drive. Figure 1.2 details which sections of this manual you should study for each particular class of license and for each endorsement. What sections should you study? I don't know if I'm going to read all this shit, but it says for Class A, sections to study 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 11, 12, and 13. For Class B, sections 1, 2, 3, 5, 11, 12, 13. For Class C, study sections 1, 2, 3, 5, 11, 12, and 13. For hazardous materials, study sections 9. For double, this is the endorsement section. Double/triple, study sections 2, 5, 6, 7. For tank vehicle, study sections 2, 6, 8, and 9. For passenger, study sections 2, 6, 8, and 9. Wait, no. Study sections 2, 4, 11, 12, and 13. And for school bus, all you got to study is sections 10 through 13. Study section 5 if you plan to operate vehicles equipped with air brakes. Figure 1.2, what to study. End of page.